you shake your little booty. Hi, Wolfie. Good morning, happy boy. Where are you going? Walter, is it your pool? Good boy. Come here. Come on, Walter. Come here. Come on. Walter, do you want some water? No? No water? You sure? No? Okay. Walter, getting your acupuncture. Whoa, burp. A big burp. A treat. Bless you. Hi, baby. What you looking at? Yeah? Yeah? Is that Dusty in your house? Yeah? Yeah? We did a tail wagging. Yeah. Being bored of? What do you hear? Did you finish, Walt? Did you finish? He loves his morning breakfast. Walter, let me. Why is it not focusing? There we go. What do you think of your photo shoot? Did you have fun yesterday? Huh? Nah. Come on, Walter. Come on, Walter. Good boy. Come on. Oh, your sock's coming off a little bit. But you guys get the idea. Stop, Dory. There you go, baby. Or do you want the pill pocket treat? Come on. Ooh. Walter. There you go. Come on. Come on, you can do it, buddy. Oh. Oh. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Where are you going? I have to go potty. Good boy, Walter. Come here. Come on. Good boy. Where are you going? Walter, come on. Go say hi. Say hi, Walter.